I've been wanting to get a cover for the car for one that's been freshly detailed. So I reached out to the good folks at California Car Cover Company and ordered one. Looks like it just arrived. So let's get it inside and check it out. Alright, we have it inside. Let's open her up, but first I want to show you. I don't know if you can read this or not, but it shows, you know, the year model that this cover will work on, and the part number is right there too, in case you need one. So let's open her up. Alright, so now that we have it open up, as you can see, it comes with the cover itself, and then I went with a dark blue to kind of match the vehicle itself. The cover does come with some kind of carrying bag, for lack of a better term, matches the color of the cover. Gives you care and instructions for the cover, also shows you how to install and remove it. Now this is neat. If your car is equipped with an antenna of some sort, this allows you to basically puncture a hole through the cover itself and kind of make it secure. And some sort of string. I'm sure we'll figure out as we get to use it what the string is for. But here you have it. This is what the covers look like when you order them from California Car Cover Company. I went with the indoor version. They have a ton of other ones to choose from. They have a ton of other products to choose from. So be sure to check them out. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and post any questions or comments in the fields below.